Our top story today, the cold temperatures may have kept some people inside on Friday night, but the cold did not stop Troy University students from celebrating Black History Month with this year's annual Unity Walk. Reporter Will Eldridge has the story.
Behind me, Troy University students have gathered in front of John Robert Lewis Hall to celebrate Black History Month with the annual Unity Walk here on Troy campus.
So this is our second annual event celebrating unity. It's a unity march celebrating Black History Month and honoring unity and how far we've come.
Leading up to the march, event-goers heard remarks from the members of Delta Sigma Theta, a letter on behalf of Chancellor Hawkins, and a speech given by SGA President Betsy Bennett.
Together we are Troy, and together we can build a campus community where every student feels valued, heard, and connected.
The Unity Walk is more than just an annual event. Turner says it's a significant moment of unity for the Troy community.
And now that we can be unified, I think that's the significance of it all, just being able to come together no matter what race, what color. We just want to keep building on top. So maybe we'll walk with the mayor, or maybe we can get other people to come and to continue to make it bigger, a bigger impact and a bigger effect.
This event doesn't just stand as a reminder for those who marched in the past, but also a motivator to take action for what you believe in. Will Eldridge, Troy, TrojanVision News.
Troy's Black Student Union and Nu Theta chapter of Delta Sigma Theta hosted the annual Unity Walk, and thanks all who participated.